Okay, I'm back and I have my Birchbox. So, let's go ahead and get in. I've already ripped the little things off because that's very annoying when I do it on camera. And the box inside is behind the scenes Birchbox. It's an interesting box. Kind of fallish, I guess. Fall colors, anyway. I was hoping it would be more Halloweenish. It has the orange back, but I was hoping more Halloweenish. Alright, let's go ahead and get in here. Let me pop the lid off and we'll show you what's in the box. Save the holiday. And then our behind the scenes beauty. I'm not going to look at the back of that one. This one, I'm not sure what this is. Our holiday shop is launching November 2nd. Okay. And then here is my box and everything is like just jumbled in there. So let's take a look. Okay, first thing I pulled out is Chlorine. And it is a shampoo. And it is for colored hair. Color enhancing shampoo. So that's good because I have color treated hair. And sitting right here is the Chlorine conditioner. So shampoo, conditioner, I could probably get one use out of this and probably one use out of that. So shampoo, conditioner. We'll start there. Okay, and then we have a perfume sample. The Healthy Fragrance, Vanilla Coconut. La Vanilla is what they're calling it. Let me see if I can get that where you can see it. Okay, it is a spray bottle. Okay, that's kind of interesting. They put a little thing in there so when it's in there it can't squirt. That's kind of neat. Let's give it a little pump. Oh, didn't squirt very good. I can smell the vanilla. I can smell the coconut. It smells very clean, fresh smell. So not a bad smell. It says Paradise Found. Young coconut blends with Tahitian terra flower and warm Madagascar vanilla for a uniquely addictive island escape. Handcrafted by Master Natural Perfumes. And it's 100% natural, 100% healthy, it says. Oh, that's for their healthy deodorant. Okay, so, all natural. Doesn't smell bad. It's not something I would rush out to get, but it doesn't smell bad. Let me shift myself here, thanks. Whew, okay, what's next? We have a cream gel. 24-hour double hydration cream gel. Comfort Zone. I have lots of these. I don't know if this is sealed. This is definitely sealed, so I'm not going to open it because I have lots that I'm using already. Wonder Eye Cream. 99% natural. From Bala Creme? Balin Creme. Natural skincare. So, an eye cream. Okay. And then, oh, what is this? Oh, okay. This is Glow Milk, and it looks like it's a fingernail polish, possibly, Kind of looks like a fingernail polish. Oh, did I even show you this? Did I? There we go. Kind of see it now. Kind of. Light's really bright, sorry. There's the shampoo. And the conditioner. And I showed you the perfume sample. Okay, so let's see if we can get this open and see if it's a fingernail polish or not. I need to paint my nails. Maybe this is the color I'll go for. It's kind of a rosy gold color, kind of. Okay, only half of that came off. Sorry, guys. Just craziness today. Oh, I'm glad that it was clear and that the pattern that's on the top of the bottle stayed on the bottle. Let me get that where you can see it. Very cute. Very cute. Okay. Oh, yeah, it is a fingernail polish. My brush is a little damaged. I don't know if I could fix that. No, I don't think there's any fixing that. I'll just have to be careful when I use it. But it is definitely a fingernail polish. So that'll be fun to play with. It's a coppery color. So it is definitely something I'll wear. Not a problem. And then what is this? Oh my goodness. Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy. And it's not a like tube. It is a little packet. A packet. How? That's not even... That's okay. Moving on. I'll probably never use that because of the way it is and you have the way you have to like get your finger in there and get it and use it. This is probably one of the worst Birchboxes I've had. I think the only thing that I'm excited about in this whole thing is the fingernail polish. It's a cute bottle. It's definitely a color that I'll use. Other than that, I don't know. Yeah, that's it. That's my Birchbox. You'll see me in this outfit again because I'm going to go ahead and do my Ipsy. And it will be my next video. I thought about doing them together and maybe I probably should have. Let's go over the card real quick. Comfort Zone. Memory Cream Gel. Full size is $60. We definitely didn't get full size. The Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. Full size is $29. Maybe I should show you what it is when I'm talking about it. This is the hydration that is $60 for the full size. And we definitely don't have the full size. And I can't tell how full the tube is. Sometimes these tubes have a lot and sometimes they don't. I can't tell. The eye cream, the Balance Me eye cream, full size is $29. And I would say this tube is not full. It's probably like right there. So a couple uses maybe. La Vanilla, the perfume sample. The full size is $48. And then the Beauty Crop Glow Milk Liquid Highlighter. It's a highlighter? That's a highlighter? Full size is $19.50. Give me a minute. We're going to try this out. Okay, and then the Estee Lauder thingy pouch. Full size is $32. This is definitely not full size. This is a one-time use only. So even if I liked it, I'd have to go find it. So I wouldn't even get to try it more than once. So okay, the Chlorine Anti-Fade Conditioner with pomegranate. And then it only shows for the conditioner is $20. And I'm sure that the shampoo is probably close to that price, which is $20. Okay, let me throw all this stuff back in this box. Except this highlighter that I thought was a fingernail polish, which kind of takes the excitement out of it. And let's swatch this with the crazy brush. Look at it. Ooh, pops right up. Okay. And that's where I put it on my hand. And this is supposed to be a highlighter, so let's... It definitely gives you some shimmers. I don't have highlighter on today, so should we try it on the face? Why not? Just a little. Because, I don't know. I was more excited when I thought it was a fingernail polish. Okay. Very blingy. That's the side without. That's the side with. Did I get any on the nose? I have no freaking clue. Well, I did that time. I look like freaking Rudolph now. It rubs in really quick. Like, you don't have a lot of time to play to move it where you want it, but that's what it is. It's a highlight. So it just took all my excitement for the fingernail polish and shot that all down the pooper. But that's Birchbox for October. It wasn't as Halloween-y as I thought it would be, or was hoping it would be. Wasn't the greatest box, but we'll see how next month goes. Sorry about that. Dog knocked one of my cups out of my trash can. Okay. That's it, guys. You'll see me in my next video, which will be Ipsy. And I will probably look the same, and I'll probably have the same old bling bling on my face because I'm not going to take the time to change and all that fun stuff. I'm just going to get it done because my videos are piling up and I need to get them done. Alright guys, thanks so much for coming. I'll have all my social medias linked below, and the link for the Birchbox. I pay for these. I'm not sponsored in any way, shape, or form by anyone. But anyway, that's my video for tonight. Thanks so much for coming along, and we'll see you next time. Bye!